Hello and welcome to this QGIS tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to buffer a distance to create like a mailing list or any other like item in QGIS. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to open up QGIS and then you'll want to go up here to the plugins. You'll want to go down to manage and install plugins and you'll want to look for two tools. You'll want to look for one called F tools, which I've already installed here. It kind of has like a little umbrella type thing. You'll just want to click on that and then there should be a button to install it there. And you'll also want to look for spatial query tools. And same thing, it's kind of hard to see it there, but spatial query plugin, same thing, just install it. Once you get that installed, add your shapefile or your vector layer. You can do it here, or you can go up here and go to add layer, add vector layer. I've already done that here. I've added the parcels in. So you'll notice that with those two plugins that we just installed, you'll have more items now in your vector tool set. The vector drop down is pretty important. There's a lot of tools in there, a lot of geoprocessing tools. So the next thing what we're going to want to do is you'll want to locate your select feature and just make sure it's kind of got the same icon. There's a bunch of them in here, but you'll just want to do the select feature. And then what we're going to do here is we'll select just the parcel, whatever parcel you have in question. And then the next thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and go up to vector, go down the geoprocessing tools, go down the buffer, and we want this layer here is the available one. The buffer distance of 300. I'll show you how to change those units if your projection's not in feet or US units. The next thing you'll want to do is click on browse, and we're going to do the temp 300 buffer here. I've already set it up once, so I'm going to override it and just hit OK, and you'll notice that there's a green circle. So essentially that green circle is a 300-foot radius around that polygon, just like that. So the next goal we'll want to do is we'll want to select these polygons that touch the green. It's pretty easy to do. So now you'll just want to go back up to buffer, go down to research, and go to select by location. So we'll want to select features in the May 2015 Boise parcels that intersect features in the temp 300 buffer. Leave all the rest of the boxes unchecked, or unchecked, just leave the first one checked as is. We'll want to make sure to create a new selection and just hit OK. And now you'll notice that anything that intersects it, which in this case did include some roadway too, so that's why the roadway or the right-of-way is lit up too. You can go in once you bring it into Excel and delete out that right-of-way parcel. Okay, so now we need to get this data out of QGIS and into Excel. That's pretty easy to do. Just right-click on the parcels, go down to Save As. In the format, make sure you choose DBF file. You can also do a CSV. Let's do a CSV, and we will create it. We'll call it Boise 300 mailing. And the next important thing you'll want to do is make sure under your encoding to check Save Only Selected Features. If you don't do that, you're going to get everything. Just hit OK, and there you go. You should have a sheet. We'll open it up here in Excel and check it. So as soon as you locate that CSV, it should come in like this, and you'll have just the parcel number. And with this data layer, I have more. I don't have the address, but I do have the taxing districts. This concludes on how to buffer in QGIS and create a mailing list.